Hi everyone, this is Aditya Sharma. Let's see if we are live or not. Can you please comment in the chat box if you can see me clear, if you can hear me loud and clear? That would be very helpful. In the meantime, let me also check it on my end. Okay, so I'm checking it currently on our LinkedIn. Let's see if we are live or not. Hi,
Hello everyone, hi Aditya.
Amit sir.
Okay, so let
I'm
me
currently
see. Are we
checking.
live? Yes, we are live on YouTube. Let me check.
Guys, you can add in the comments box if you can hear us loud and clear.
Okay, so I can see we are live on YouTube. Guys, if you have already are live with us, if you can just like this video.
Okay, I can see we are live on LinkedIn as well. That's great. Perfect. So we have Sadhir Shah. Thanks, Sadhir, for commenting. Ajay Kumar, where I have to submit. You don't need to submit anything. It's just the start of the info session or like our real world project. Hey, Mary Jane, I can hear you loud and clear. Thanks, Mary Jane, for
Thank you, Mary.
confirming.
Thank you. Okay, so I can see.
Chelsea, hi, Chelsea. Okay, I see people are joining in. So, guys, thanks everyone for joining. Let's wait for 1 or 2 more minutes and allow everyone else to join. In the meantime, if you can quickly share this event on your LinkedIn profile, that
Guys,
would be
if you
very
can just
helpful.
repost this
Yes,
project, because we always conduct these projects completely for free. It's an open project. Anybody can do it from any location. So
yes,
if you will be posting it, you might be helping the community. A lot of other people might also learn from this.
yep,
If you can, I'll just would like to see if you can just comment here also that shared or reposted. I'll be happy to see that. Thank you. Um, and let me do it myself as well. I will also post it.
yep. So, guys, this is this is a session in which we are going to build a real world project for software developers, for aspiring software developers. Right? It's right from scratch. You don't need to have any experience, and you will learn a lot during this 1 week. At the end of this 1 week, you'll be able to add this project on your LinkedIn, on your resume. Right? So please take a moment to share this with your network, to repost basically on LinkedIn and share on your YouTube. Okay, and this is actually also one of the criteria for you to participate in this project. We expect everyone who's joining this free project to at least repost and share on their social media profile. Okay, so I'll just take 1 minute, and in this 1 minute, you can repost on your LinkedIn profile. Perfect.
Okay, so I have shared it.
Cool. So let's see. And guys, let's share. Let's start with a brief introduction as well. If you've already, so as soon as you share, please comment in the chat box that I've shared, right? So that would tell us, okay, how many people have shared. Uh, and I'll also, in the meantime, parallelly check if people have actually shared or not. Okay. Uh, but yeah, the guys, the objective is that we have as many participants in this project as possible. Okay.
And that will make this projects are more like a competition, right? We always try to uh, we want to increase this community so that more people will participate. There will be healthy competition with a lot of learning, which we can make groups, we can make teams. So that's why if you can share it with other people. So Avi says shared. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So if you can just let us know from which location you are dialing in today. If you can let us know from where are you dialing in today. So I'm dialing in from Canada today, in Toronto. Where are you, Aditya, right now?
I am currently in Miami, Florida. and it's a hurricane season here. The winds are 25 miles per hour. You cannot cross street if you are in the opposite
That's common in
direction.
Canada.
That's normal in Canada.
That's common in Canada.
That's,
23, 21 is normal.
oh, so yesterday we couldn't like cross street comfortably.
Uh,
I can
so I
imagine
was
it. That
once
must be
driving cycle in wind 23, 24. It's like, when I was with wind, I was flying. When I was not with wind,
That's the real workout, right?
Ishan is in also Toronto. Hi Ishan, we can connect soon at some place maybe. Priyanka says from NJ. What is this NJ? Maybe I am not.
NJ, probably New Jersey.
New Jersey? Okay,
Yep.
great. Pranjal is from Lucknow. Thank you, Pranjal, for joining in. I know it's a late time in India, but thank you. That shows your learning uh, attitude. I believe that's because when somebody is dialing in at late location, they want to really learn from this project.
Mhm. I can see Avi has shared the project, shared this event. Thank you so much, Avi. Avi works at BlackRock. I'm a great fan of like BlackRock, so we can probably connect someday. I worked at Deloitte Consulting, and that's when we did a few projects with BlackRock. Chelsea, thanks Chelsea for reposting on your profile. T has shared. Uh, Anuj has shared. Okay, guys, only a few people have shared it. So, guys, I would request you to please reshare, repost it on your LinkedIn profile. It will just take a moment. You just need to push it, but it will go in front of a lot of people. We can have a lot more participants. You can work as a team there. Okay, that's
Hi,
very.
Chair. How are you? Sir, if you can kindly post this. Cher was there in the last event also. Like, last few events I have been observing her. And so Cher, if she's an ISA candidate.
Oh.
Um, okay. What
So,
project
I
we are
think.
doing today?
Sorry, say it again.
What project we are doing today? We can have a little introduction about ourselves and then we can start.
Yes, yes. Let's. Okay, I can share my screen to get started. Uh, well, thanks everyone for joining us again. This project, the way those who are like those who are repeat attendees, right? They know that we provide a little bit overview of the project. At first, we provide you a little bit about High Counselor, and then it's like an open Q&A. Any questions that you may have. The objective here is that you create a real world project in the next 1 week. After that 1 week, you'll get a certification. Plus you can also showcase this experience, right? And more than certificate, more than showcasing the experience, it's about learning. It's about actual learning, the implementation of skills. Okay. uh, as I can see, there are a lot of first time users as well, so I'll provide a quick overview of High Counselor, and then we can jump into this project details. So let me share my screen. Okay, 1 second. Okay, Amit, so can you see my screen now? The PowerPoint deck?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, cool. So today's project is about building your own digital clock, right? In software engineering category, guys, we are trying to come up with projects that you can relate to. Last time we did a snake eating game project, right? All of us have played that snake game in our probably our Nokia mobile phones. So this week we are going to build a digital clock. Okay. Before I jump into this details, a little bit about my background, because I can see a lot of people here with a background similar to mine, so you may be able to relate to it. I did my engineering back in India in 2012. Then I did my master's in 2015 from Duke University. It's in Durham, North Carolina. After graduating from Duke, I started my career at PricewaterhouseCoopers in Chicago. Worked there for about a year as a Salesforce consultant. Pretty good start of the career. Worked there after working at PwC. I moved to Deloitte Consulting. Worked there for about 3.5 years. And during my time at Deloitte, I was part of the recruitment team as well, where I visited a lot of universities, hired entry level candidates for software engineering, data science roles. And that's when I learned that there are a few major reasons because of which people struggle to land a job, especially those who are entry level, those who are transitioning in their career, or those who are looking for a better job. Okay. And that made me leave my job from Deloitte to start this company, High Counselor, with my co-founder Rani Harun in 2020. And the journey that started with just two people, we are about 35 40 full-time people. We are backed by a bunch of VCs and angel investors in Silicon Valley. Yeah, that's about our journey. Now, at High Counselor, as I said, the major reason why I left my job from Deloitte was that I noticed that job seekers struggle because of lack of hands-on work experience. And you may be able to relate to it. If you are applying to jobs these days, you may not be getting a lot of interview invite. You may not be getting that many opportunities, and that might be because you do not have the industry experience. You don't have the practical hands-on implementation experience, right? Even when you land people who land interview calls, they are unable to showcase their expertise in any particular skills because they cannot do it in a storytelling format that, okay, I worked at that company on that particular project, and that's where I implemented, say, Java or probably data analysis or probably machine learning or AI models, right? So the solution that we figured out, that if we can launch a platform where we can help people land, gain some work experience through remote internships or through hands-on projects platform, right? Then it would change the game for them, and it really worked out. And that's when we launched High Counselor, where we help people land remote internships as well as gain experience through real world projects. One of the real world projects, we'll be doing it today. Okay. Roles that we support in these. So right now for remote internship, we support a lot of different roles, right? But on our projects platform, we currently have software engineering projects. It can be front end, back end, full stack, right? All those job roles, or any kind of data science role like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. So that's what we do, guys. Give me one. If you want, if you want to get remote internship or these projects, a detailed access of it, you can simply go to our website, which is highcounselor.com. When you go to our website, you'll find all the remote internship details under this tab called internships at the top. If you want to see all the real world projects, you will see all real world projects under the tab projects over here. Okay. Uh, Give me one second. And both these platforms are available. I mean, if you want to do like about 80 different projects, then it's available at about $149 per month subscription price. And the internship is available at $500 per internship. Okay. I'll share more details on it later, but let's jump into projects for now. Okay. So here is our project for today. So as I mentioned at the beginning, the project that we'll be doing, it is to gain real world experience that you can add on your resume, CV, or on your LinkedIn profile. During this project, Dr. Amit and I'll be your functional mentors, right? Any functional question related to the project, we'll be happy to answer. Chirag will be our technical mentor for this project. Okay, so anything related to programming, you get stuck in any task, Chirag will be able to help you out. In this particular project, basically, as I said, you'll be building a digital clock. So clocks are definitely are essential UI elements, right? Particularly valuable for time sensitive application, for booking sites, for apps displaying arrival times for transportation, right? So there are two types of definitely clocks, analog and digital. This project specially focuses on digital clocks with three codes: HTML for time displaying, CSS for centering and style, and JavaScript for clocks functionality. This project is divided into one module and multiple tasks over there. So you will build a digital clock in which the first step, you'll go through three different steps, as I mentioned in the previous slide. Now, where can you access all the project details? You can find all the project details on highcounselor.com/projects. Okay. So you come to this one and you'll find this particular project over here, the very first one, build your own digital clock. So simply click on this particular project and you'll find all the details, modules, and the task related to this particular project over here. Okay. Amit sir, would you like to give a quick demo of how people can get started on this project?
Yeah. So I
Mhm.
will just share my screen.
Mhm.
Oh, wait. Can you see my screen now?
I can, one second. Let me see. I can see your screen. Yes.
Okay. So you have to come to our landing page. That is highcounselor.com. And you will see on the top that's called internships. And you can see also here projects. So you will go to this project section. And in the project section, this is the project which we are doing right now, the digital clock one. So just click on this. It will ask for your sign in. So if you already have an account, that means if you're a repeat user to this platform, you don't need to create a new ID. You can use your existing ID. But if you are new to this platform, your first time using it, click on create an account, fill in your basic details like full name, email ID, phone number, password, and your where are you located, and everything detailed over here. Click on sign up. You will get an email which will have your login credentials, and then you can sign in. I have my login ID created. I'll use this and I'll sign into this. Once I sign in, I'll click on this project which we are doing right now. We'll click on this. So it will show me all the project details over here. What are the different modules which we have to do it? And then I have to click on go to Sandbox. So Sandbox is our platform where you can come and complete this project. It is more like a online computer, what I'll say. So you don't need your local machine for this. Just click on this plus icon and add this project. Choose the template. Just click on this and it will take 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe less than that. Just it will get added. It's already started now. So once this is added to your, then you can start. Okay. Uh, is the process is clear? If you can let me know in the comment section, is the process is clear specifically to those who have first time coming to this platform? Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is where it was added. Yeah. Okay, Aditya, if you can read any comment where the is there any doubt, guys? Is the process is clear? How to enroll into the project? Go to highcounselor.com/projects.
Yep.
Uh,
Let
Click on.
me check what are the comments. Yes, guys, if you can simply let us know in the chat box that you know how to get started on this project, that would be very helpful. Or you can simply push thumbs up button as well.
So the project is loaded now. Project is loaded. Click on Open Sandbox, and you will be able to start the project. Very simple. So now you can see the leaderboard on one side. You can see all the live feed. Who are the people who have already started project? I can see 31 people already doing the project. These are the various tasks which you are supposed to complete. Here is your coding platform. Write your code, run your code, and there are two other options which is very very important. That is your invite friends. So this leaderboard basically works on 2 3 parameters. It's if somebody wants to be on the top of the leaderboard, they have to complete the task in time. Accuracy is important, your efficiency is important. That means you should not be writing a wrong code. Plus very important parameter is also how many people you are inviting to this platform. So you can click on invite friends, and you can here write their email IDs. You also get a link over here. Right now I'm not seeing it, but you will get a link for that. So just write in email IDs and invite your friends also, so they can be part of this platform. Apart from this, I don't see that LinkedIn that button. Aditya, are you able to see that
Sorry, which one?
LinkedIn sharing which we used to have, the pre templates?
Oh, yeah, that was available actually in our data science projects, not
Okay,
our software engineering projects.
okay, okay, got it.
We can add.
No
We can
worries. Yeah, so guys, in this way you can complete the project over here, and you can invite other people also to this platform. If you want to be on the leaderboard, do consider all the 3 parameters, because I can see a lot of people, they have started doing it, they've completed few tasks, but they have not invited anyone right now. So it would be great if you can invite few people. Okay, so any questions if you have? Chelsea says shared, and I'm dialing from Boston. Thank you, Chelsea, for sharing it.
Uh, I think the when I was giving the platform introduction, right? I think I missed that pricing detail and those things.
Okay.
I can quickly reshare and finish that part. Da, da, da. So, guys, you should be able to see my screen. So, yeah, that what I was telling you. That on High Counselor, we have two things, right? To give you work experience. One is real world projects that you are getting started on now. So on this projects platform, you get to work on two projects for free, right? But if you want to access all the other 80 projects, you can have a subscription, which is $50 a month or $149 for 6 months, right? When you do these projects, you'll have your own portfolio page as well. The second is remote internship to gain work experience. You can also get remote internship through our platform, which is a fixed $500 fees that you pay once. We start matching you with the employers as per your location as well as your job role and industry choice, and you get a remote internship anywhere between 2 to 6 months. Again, that's a great way to earn hands-on work experience. Right now, if you subscribe either of the projects platform or internship, we have a promo code of save 20 to get 20% discount. Okay, so that's a bit about how you can gain work experience on our platform. Okay.
Okay, guys, any other question if you have, feel free to ask. Is the process is clear how you can do it? And okay, shared. Okay, guys, is the process is clear? So you can start this project. You will have 1 week of time to complete this project. And
Mhm.
for any query, you can go to our YouTube channel, High Counselor, and you can comment in the live video of this particular. This will be recorded and it will go on live on YouTube.
Yep.
So we'll be looking into all those comments. If you face any technical difficulties or if you face any issue, you can just let us know.
Yeah, I can give a quick overview. So, guys, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Simply go to our YouTube channel, which is my first name dot high counselor, Aditya dot high counselor. When you come to this to our YouTube channel, simply go to live. Okay, and under live section, you'll see this particular project over here. As you can see, sorry, not this one, but this one, digital clock. Okay, and you can go to this particular project and comment your questions over here, and our team will directly respond to you. On this page, you'll find some of the future upcoming projects as well that you can go and sign up as well. Okay, so that's look, you have all these upcoming future projects. You can simply click on notify me, and we'll be able to notify you. But ask all of your questions right over here so that we can handle all questions at one place. Okay, let me also add the link of this particular channel. Please subscribe to it so that if we also have to inform you anything about this particular project, you should be able to see it. Okay, I've added it here. Let me also add it in the LinkedIn chat box. Please take a moment and guys, subscribe to this channel so that you are updated on all the information.
Okay. Any other queries, guys? I guess we are good.
Okay, if we don't have anything, we can wrap up, and we look forward for you guys to complete this project, and let's see how many people complete and get to the first place.
And do share it with other people also, guys. If you want to be part of the leaderboard, make sure that you share it with other people as well. Invite more people to the platform. Very simple and just a click away. And you will also get a link also there where you can share that.
Mhm.
Okay, we are good.
They're all set. Perfect. Well, thank you so much, everyone. If there are no more questions, we look forward to working with you. And please reach out to us on our YouTube channel if you have any question or concerns or face any hurdles during the project. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Bye.
much.